dear distinguished colleagues from Mongolia and from our office in Beijing, welcome to this consultation workshop on media and information literacy for school managers and academic directors of secondary schools in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. This is a very important meeting for, of course, the schools and how we can bring it to youth. And that's where the role of the Mongolian National Commission for UNESCO under the leadership of distinguished Madam Uyanga, the Secretary General of the National Commission, is very important. Also, Ms. Munkhmandakh, the Executive Director of Press Institute of Mongolia, thank you to you for your wonderful leadership. Dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon. So in this very important consultation workshop, focusing on media and information literacy in Mongolia, we will be discussing media and information literacy, which is also called MIL, why it is indispensable to everyone, especially to youth, to engage critically with information and digital technologies and media. COVID-19 has many public health challenges, but also disinfodemic is a big challenge. Disinformation and misinformation flooding the world and endangering people's lives. More than ever before, we are in a critical need of knowledge that allows us to identify the nature of information we are surrounded by, identify those pieces which are useful and credible, but protect also from disinfodemic or disinformation. We need to carefully look into how do we look into the information which is verified information. UNESCO is committed to systematic and wide-scale application and promotion of MIL through formal, non-formal, and informal education, as well as through social learning. Today's workshop is organized under a UNESCO program supported by Swedish International Development Cooperation Agency called SIDA. In Mongolia, we work towards reinforcing national capacities to adapt and apply tailored MIL curricula in education system since 2019. We have been bringing consensus among hundreds of stakeholders from across sectors to strengthen MIL in the country through national fora. We have developed the MIL curriculum for Mongolia, have built the capacity of 120 school teachers, director, education specialists, and youth organizations. The project has now formed National MIL Network, committed to promote policy development for enabling environment for MIL in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, to achieve the desired impact of MIL policy interventions, we need sustained and continued effort among all stakeholders, especially among the educators who are at the forefront. This workshop will focus on practical issues such as the MIL curricula content, discuss possibilities for integrating MIL components into school curricula, identify curricula which can have better integration with MIL. On behalf of UNESCO, I want to again emphasize the critical role which the Mongolian National Commission has been playing and all the great work which has been done by the Press Institute. So thank you to all of you and have wonderful and fruitful discussion.